So how do you go on a browser on Apple Watch? Let me show you how it works and what the options are. So if you're new here on this channel, on Foxtecc, consider subscribing because there are plenty of videos coming up and I believe I'm going to help you out. So anyways, you probably noticed that the Apple Watch doesn't have like Safari or the option to get a Google Chrome or anything like that. It just doesn't work on the Apple Watch simply because Apple decided that we are like not supposed to have the like browser on the small screen of the Apple Watch. But when you text yourself or somebody else texts you like a link through messages or even some other place, you have the ability to actually click on it and load up that website. So you can just click on it like random link, which you perhaps send to yourself. That's like the best way to get it to the Apple Watch. You know, you literally send an iMessage to your phone number and it might be, I don't know, like apple.com. You open it up directly on the Apple Watch. It loads up in this like temporary sort of looking web browser. Obviously, it's not like a standalone app, but there is some browsing capability built in. So you can at least check out some of the websites. You can actually like click around and start using it a little bit. Yeah, like you can scroll and, you know, check out the website, but it's never going to be the full browsing experience. But I find it to be pretty useful in that case as well, right? If I quickly want to show up some websites and whatnot, this is better than nothing. So that's how it currently works. Let me know in the comments below if you found it useful or let me know what you think about that. Thanks a lot for watching. Subscribe for more upcoming tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll see you later.